Change has come to America.
Believe me. Help is on the way.
Knock, knock.
You're not even going to believe the brilliance of the GOP argument right here. This is Senator Steve Daines, everybody.
If you were to take or destroy the eggs of a sea turtle.
Oh, what?
Now I said the eggs, not the hatchlings, that's also a penalty, but the eggs. The criminal penalties are severe, up to a $100,000 fine and a year in prison. Now why? Why do we have laws in place that protect the eggs of a sea turtle or the eggs of eagles? Because when you destroy an egg, you're killing a preborn baby sea turtle or a preborn baby eagle.
Preborn.
Yet when it comes to a preborn human baby, rather than a sea turtle, that baby will be stripped of all protections in all 50 states under the Democrats' bill they'll be voting on tomorrow. Is that what the America the left wants?
Oh, it's just, whoa, it's brilliant, isn't it?
He's convinced me. That sea turtle argument was sound. That was great. I'm convinced. I flipped.
This decision was not based on religious freedom, although obviously this is what they are doing. You know, they're exerting religious privilege, meaning their version of Catholicism is the version of the official religion of the United States of America as far as seven of these, or six of these Supreme Court justices are concerned, or at least five of them are concerned, okay? The Clarence Thomas, the Alito, the Barrett, right? Roberts, I don't think, is down with this. I think Roberts, remember, Roberts voted to uphold Obamacare. Roberts voted to protect LGBTQ employees from discrimination. He struck down the Louisiana abortion restrictions. He saved DACA. He preserved it for children who arrive unauthorized in the United States. Who live here and, are educated here and have never, ever, ever in their lives broken the law, right? So he's unreliable in every conservative legal, movement that you could imagine. I would assume that today at this conference, he's going to try and peel off one Supreme Court justice from the uber ultra right-wing Catholic right. Now, you know that Amy is probably not likely to be peeled off of this, right? She's a woman of praise, And what's really creepy about this is Alito wrote the opinion, and it shouldn't be this way. So here's what I'm guiding myself with. So here's the protocol of the Supreme Court. If the majority is down with this and the Chief Justice, is down with the decision, then the Chief Justice writes the decision. Well, Roberts didn't write this decision, which tells me he's not down with it. And in that case, the next most senior justice gets the assignment to write the case, to write the opinion. That would be Clarence. And they didn't choose Clarence. And that's, the protocol. So why didn't they choose Clarence? Is he too stupid to have written the opinion? I don't know. But Alito wrote the opinion, and that's just not protocol. So something really untoward, something out of the ordinary is already evident here. Now, remember, this isn't a religious case. This was not a case that, they're foisting their religious privilege, their religious preference on, the evangelicals or on people who are of a different religion or of no religion or are, agnostic or atheist. No, this was written to take away a woman's right to privacy based on Alito's opinion that the right to security, privacy in your own person, papers, and things in the due process clause of the Constitution doesn't exist. This is how far he had to go to twist it, right, to say there's no right to privacy. Well, of course there is. But I'm going to guess that Roberts feels like he can pull one of the five away from the decision that Alito wrote. And if that's the case, that he could pull one of the five, and if he's not part of the 6-3, then you got a 5-4 decision to uphold Roe. You see what I'm saying? So I got a freaky feeling that the protesting, which they're characterizing as unacceptable and violent and unruly, and chalk is somehow threatening on the sidewalk. Sidewalk chalk is somehow a weapon of mass destruction now. I don't know. Is working.